things that are going to be needed for this project. A large round mirror. Some type of bottom like this, or you can use any type of kind of bottom, we say candle holder, the glass, about 4 of those, or any type of thing that can lift the glass as a tray. You're also going to need, if you buy this, you're going to need silver spray paint, and then you're going to need about 5 bags of these forks, which can be purchased at the Dollar Tree, and then 1 box of these circle mirrors and 1 box of these little mirrors, and I got those at the Dollar King. If you don't have one in your city, go to dollarking.net and you can order them online. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just take this white bottom, which I'm going to use it as a bottom, and I'm just going to go ahead and spray paint that silver. Okay, so here's the bottom spray painted silver. The next thing you're going to need to do is take these forks right here, and you're just going to break them right at this point. It's very simple. You just break them in half, and you're going to do that with all of them. It's going to be time consuming, but it's super easy. You just get both fingers, which I can't show you right now, but you break them in half just at this point right here where the fork is, and then you'll have a piece that looks like this. So once you do that, and then we'll go to the next steps. Okay, so now this is an easy process. You're going to take the broken side and you're going to do it like this. Now, I'm just trying to figure out how much space I'm going to do. Probably about 1/4 of an inch. I don't know. Now I see this one's crooked, so I'm going to redo these now. So when you're doing these, make sure that you let them dry straight forward. Let me see how straight that comes out, and then I'll probably redo the other one. So I've never done this before, so as long as they match each other. Okay, so now what I've done after I finished putting these around is I have laid out where these round mirrors are going to go so that they look somewhat unified. So this one I'm going to start right here on these three. So you should go right there. And there's one. So that's, I'm going to continue to do that around. Oh, wow, I had one left. So I've decided to add some extra bling. I've had this already, and I got these, they're all messed up, but I got these strands from Walmart, and I'm just taking these little beads, ooh, and I am putting them, I already put them on the bottom, and now I'm putting them just on the top to give a little extra bling. It's not the easiest thing to do, but you see that little tail? All you're going to do after that is just burn it off, you see. So after I'm done, I'm just going to burn off the tails. And this is a very long, repetitive process, so I'm going to go ahead and finish this out, and then we'll go to the next step. Okay, so I've already started on the small mirrors. Now, one thing you didn't see that I actually did was add some of my beads that I showed you. I added some big ones here in the back of the mirror because just to hide kind of the ugliness of that, because I didn't really want to put anything behind it, so I thought that would kind of, you know, take your eye off of that area, because mainly we're worried about the outside. So right now, I am just randomly, in between the big mirrors, I'm taking this with my tweezers and putting the small mirrors in between them, and they're not perfectly in between and all of them, because this is not in perfect I don't know the word, harmony. It's not perfect, so this is random.